Hey, hi.
Cooking late.
Oh,
Well,
Chance,
you better get on.
there you
I'm on
go,
the phone.
Chance.
A Heart of a Family, episode 67. Comment, like, share, subscribe.
Good job.
Well,
Is that
yeah,
Taylor behind you?
I'm on the phone.
Behind who? Ezell?
So how's everybody's day?
Good.
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 You have a
I
good day,
made it
boss?
to church.
What all did y'all do?
I got to play with my friends.
Is that it?
Oh, I'm playing my game right now.
I made it to church. Good service today.
I'm in it. Heart of
Yeah. So my day
a
was good. But the time got me springing forward.
Yeah.
That's good.
It
Can
made the
y'all hear
day go
me?
by fast.
I noticed that. I'm
Cause
gonna
when
like it for tomorrow.
my alarm went off for the call, because I got it set for an hour before the call, I was like, goodness gracious, it's already almost 8 o'clock. But yeah, it went by fast.
Mm.
Obviously, Juice World.
Mm.
To the
What you
bed.
do?
Chance, cut that down.
But
Chance, mute your phone while you playing the game.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I went to work. I didn't notice the time went back until I got in the car to go to
went
work.
back.
And then well, sprung forward. Then I was like, oh, wow. So I am on time. Because I was like, why am I waking up so late? But I was
Mm.
actually waking up on time. It's just, it sprung forward at 2 and I wake up at 4. So when I woke up at
Mm.
4, it was already 5. And I was like, oh my God. Well, yeah, I totally forgot about it. But I went to work, came home, I did some laundry, cleaned the kitchen. Now I'm about to fry me some fish.
Mm. That's
And I've been
good.
watching the stock
then,
market.
What do you think? What are you watching?
I'm
yes,
trying to
live.
see, how last time you was like watch it. So I'm thinking maybe tomorrow when the market opens, it's gonna be a lot more selling. The prices may go down a little bit. But if
I've been
Bitcoin goes
losing
back to
sleepy.
79,
Chance,
I'm
stop.
going to buy some more.
Huh?
I'm going to put my little 20 in, 25, I think 25. Yeah, I'll do that today. I'll just cancel my deposit tomorrow so I don't miss
Oh.
it. Because last time I almost missed it and I only got $10 worth and it went right back up to 85. And it's kind of been staying around that much until today.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's gonna
Dang,
be
Ezell and
interesting.
your mom is
It is
talking.
interesting. It really is. Because there's so many things going on with the government though. That's what's affecting it. That's why I keep hoping Trump acts stupid for just a little bit longer, just a little bit longer.
Oh, he is. That's a given. That's a given. It's gonna be every day.
Tesla's going down, so I think he's starting to feel like people really aren't not supporting him. I wish
Oh,
everybody
he
would
know
just sell
that.
their
But
Tesla.
now, did y'all see where Marco Rubio and Elon Musk is supposedly had gotten into it, or had some
No,
words going back
animal.
and
Oh no!
Yeah,
forth?
yeah,
Yeah.
they're doing too much. That's the problem. They
So
are
they
doing
about
way
to
too much.
it's about to filter out in the public what's going on behind closed doors.
Yeah, I think it's best to like invest now. That's why like civil, you be saying you late, but I'm like, no, you're kind of getting in at a good point where the prices are lower.
Look, as
The
the
only
market going down, it's gonna
Oh,
have to go back up at some point because the
right.
Yep.
millionaires, the billionaires, they invested too.
Oh
I
no,
keep
what?
seeing where they keep selling off like so Kathy what's her last name still Wood? Is that lady's
Yeah.
last
Yeah.
name? So she
Yeah.
just sold off some of her ARC because ARC is underperforming due to Tesla. Because Tesla is one of the main people in the ARC with the K, not the Q, but the K. They're one. I think 35% of that is that EFT is ARC. I mean, it's Tesla, so nobody's supporting him. I read today that he like their projected revenue is down 50%.
Everybody that has a Tesla, they're giving their Tesla back.
Yeah, nobody. That's what we should do as citizens. Like we are normal people living, and we're supporting you, buying your cars, and making you billions of dollars, and then you have the nerve to try to treat us like we're nothing. Like we don't have to drive your car. We don't have to support your business.
But look who all got Tesla. Well, the majority of the people that have Tesla.
Well,
Tesla.
y'all know I work at Hertz, right? So Hertz just got rid of all their Teslas. Like that's why we underperformed last year, because they invested in all these EVs and nobody up top thought to think that that's not a popular thing right now. Then you have them as rental cars. People go to different cities. They don't know where to find charging ports for these cars. They don't want to rent an
but
EV.
now they said in the charging port plate things on fire too.
Yeah, we sold all our Teslas though. Like they were like $20,000. They were selling. We sold all of them.
And the
just
price,
recently.
the price of them are gonna go down anyway, but they have significantly went down.
Yeah, the value has definitely decreased. Because we were definitely selling them here. Now we don't have any more. Like I haven't seen a Tesla come out in a long maybe a couple months.
Why am I even here?
Yeah, so I'm glad that he's feeling the effects of it. I'm glad that people are getting, wisening up a little bit. But that is why that lady saw. I think it said she sold 4 million in art, and she's like the CEO.
I can still hear my music.
Yeah, her name is Kathy Wood.
Yeah, it's getting interesting. I'm like, well, I'm telling y'all, I really like doing this. I really wish I had known about all this a long time ago.
It's your number one. You should get the number one passing.
Yes, mute your phone.
ARK is at 52.
Yeah, I just checked.
So you gonna stay with that one?
Is it the ARK or ARKQ? Or is it the same?
KK.
Yeah, I'm not in the ARKK. I'm in the ARKQ.
Okay, you're in the Q one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they were saying the ARKK Tesla makes up 35% of that EFT, so they're really
ARKQ is at 69.
I just looked at it too.
I'm gonna go back in tomorrow though and do an EFT. I really need to do an EFT because I don't have one. I have crypto, I have stock. Nvidia though, it's kind of the only one that I see that's holding kind of steady. They're not, it's not going up and down like everything else.
What is BOTZ bots? I got that in my watch list. It say it's a global robotics and artificial intelligence ETF, and it's at 30. Might as well say 31.
I've marked it up before. I don't know when, but I've marked it up at some point.
You did?
Yeah, this is some point between 23 and last year. Yeah.
Really? Because I had added that one in my watch list I think when we first started talking about doing this, I added it in my watch list.
Yeah, it might go up again. Above 34, 35.
Yeah, Mika, that was B and Sybil B bots, BOTZ. That's an ETF. That's an ETF, ain't it, Diesel?
Let me write it down. ETF.
Global robotics and artificial intelligence. Is that a word? Robotic?
Robotic, exotic, robotic.
Is that a word?
So what you say? BOT?
BOTZ.
Z EFT.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it looked like the main company in theirs is NVIDIA. I think that's the main company. Tesla is not in. I don't see Tesla.
Yeah, I kind of don't want to get in nothing with Tesla right now. I don't think
that's the top 10 holdings within that ETF. NVIDIA is the top one.
Okay.
All right. Let's do a recap.
Okay.
What is this?
The upward trend.
Upward trend.
Okay. What is this?
What did you circle? Hell, I need to put my glasses on.
It's the low. I mean, that's the beginning of the low.
That's where you used to draw the
It's
circle
low.
at again.
The next one will be the high low.
Yeah, that's the low. And then the high low,
That's the
high
high.
low,
Hold on.
right?
Yeah, hold on.
Where's people?
Chance, mute your TV or follow along. You need to learn.
All right.
No.
So what's that?
The high.
All right.
Yeah, the high. High low.
High low.
Okay. So what will make this high? I mean, what will make this low the new validated low or protected low?
I don't know.
Me either. What you mean what's gonna make it low?
Validated high. I think maybe that middle one would be a validated high. Does it have to stay steady or
So
something?
look. You have
Okay.
highs and lows, right?
Yeah.
So you have this low, this high.
Yes.
This low does not become a protected low until it breaks above this high.
Oh, okay. So it'll be like the fourth one.
And then this low puts in a higher high. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have the new high here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? This is the high. This is the low that put in this high.
Okay.
All right. So what's next?
Another high low,
Another high low.
but it's still below that high.
So look. Price can do anything it wants in between this low and this high. So price can literally
Go down, go up.
not like that, but
okay. Yeah, go up back and forth a little bit.
So what do you call it when it's all staying within there?
this is called a range. It's
Oh,
in between a range between this low and this high.
and that high.
Okay.
Okay.
Make that a different color.
Sybil, I need to go back to school.
No,
Right.
you need to watch YouTube. Yeah, me.
Oh dang, I forgot I was making Chance some nigga. Dang, burn it.
Okay. So, what we just go over?
The low and the high low and higher
And a range.
and the range.
Okay. Now let me show you a real life example. Let's see.
Sorry, y'all. Hold on.
This looks like a weather map.
Uh-oh. You said like a weather map?
Mhm.
Okay, so look.
I was going to say it look like an EKG.
Look. Yeah,
That's
this
a high.
y'all see that?
Yeah, that's like the peak.
You see this
That's
high,
a-
right?
Yeah,
That's
see
a,
that
that's
high.
a nice
Okay.
steep.
And then you see this low.
Yeah. That shot up a lot.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This high broke this low
Mm-hmm.
with a body closure below, not a wick. You see this?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Hold on. I still got the.
Chance, get out that kitchen.
So we're gonna look at the candlesticks too. So look, you see this candle right here?
Chance, mute your phone. I mean your laptop. Hold on, I'm zooming in so I can see better. Okay, which candlestick are you pointing at? Right
this
there?
is the
Okay.
low. This is
That
the
one.
low. This is black
Okay.
line. These are called wicks.
Wicks.
That
All
little
right.
line coming out the bottom of it?
Yeah, these are called wicks.
Okay.
So green are called bullish candles going up, bull horns going up. Okay. Red is down, bear for bread, bearish. Okay. Bull
Yeah.
is what?
Going up.
Green going up,
Okay. All right. What's bullish?
going
Bullish is
down.
green. No, bear
It's
is going
red.
down.
I said
Bullish is
bullish.
going up. Bullish is going up.
All right. What's
Oh.
bearish?
Bearish
That's
is going
down.
down.
What
Go back
color?
to
What color is red?
Red. Stop. Don't buy.
All right. All right. So look here. You got a high right here. You got a low.
Yeah.
Does the length of the wick have any significance?
Yes, but it's too advanced for y'all at this stage right now.
I need some phones.
But okay, so look. This high, low.
Mm-hmm.
This low isn't validated until we get a body closure above this high. This wick is manipulation. It makes you think that we're going higher and higher, but guess what?
You're not.
Came right back down.
Oh, hold on. Let me scroll over. My bad. I zoomed it in so I don't see the
Now
whole
hold
screen.
on. Repeat that whole thing that you just said.
What's the point of the what's the point of that then if it's manipulation?
Because listen, it's listen, the point is it's like a casino. They don't want us to win. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You ever heard of market manipulation?
Yeah.
An algorithm, people that, you know, it's like a casino if you don't know what you're doing. People that know what they're doing, they understand it's an algorithm. This is whole science behind it, but they want us to lose.
Yeah, so they want you to sell or either buy thinking it's not.
Like they want you to think, oh, because Tesla or Elon and Trump are best friends, Tesla's gonna go up. So
Yeah.
let's let them think it's gonna go up, and the next thing you know, let's put out some bad news and take all the money away from them.
Yeah. And manipulating the market. That should be illegal, but whatever.
Okay, so that's how Nancy Pelosi does it. Like she has insider news, so she buys at certain times or sells at certain times. Everybody doesn't know, and
What's
then
going on?
she makes some money. But anywho, so this wick is manipulation.
Okay.
We don't get a body closure until this candle.
Now wait, what's the body closure?
All right, so look, the reds that you see are the bodies.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the green and red are the bodies. The wicks are not bodies; they're just wicks. So this is how it works. You know how they go like that?
Yeah, so quick question.
Yeah.
That top of that wick is a high point, right? That they're
Right. So
manipulating us to think it's going up.
look. So how I drew this is low. So look, you got I'm gonna start right here. You see this? Let me zoom in some more.
Everybody
Be quiet, baby.
You see this top of this circle right here? Top of
Yeah.
this right here. This is the high. Okay. On the bodies, there's opens and closes.
Chance, mute your laptop,
You said
please.
there's bodies in the you said there's open enclosures in the bodies.
Yeah, so the red and green candles are the bodies.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the green candle.
Yeah.
Okay. It has wick.
Mm-hmm.
So each one has an open and a close. So the price can open right here,
Mm-hmm.
push up. That's the wick. Come back down, play around in here, come back, push the wick down, and then close right here. Right?
Hold on.
Okay.
That's how you read the bodies. So red is down, right? So you got
Mm-hmm.
high into low. I'm gonna start right here. You got this high. The wick is the high. Price opened up, pushed up, came back, pushed down, pushed up again, and closed right here. It left this long wick. Now you said, can the
Okay.
wicks be what? The wicks can be sometimes zones, but y'all ain't ready for that. But anywho, so it closed right here. Price then
So is that
opened.
still bearish?
Yeah, it's still going down.
Okay.
Okay. So this high put in this low.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't got a body closure above the high yet until where? Right here. So now back to where we were. We opened right here. We pushed up, came down, pushed down, closed back inside. Okay. Now pay
Mm-hmm.
attention. We opened, we pushed down, we come up, and then we close right here. So we went from high, low, above this high, wicked above this high.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how it does all this.
I have a question. So is the body of the candle what is really going on? Like the actual number? Since the wick is manipulating it to make you think that, it's lower than what it really kind of is.
I gotta be careful when I say manipulation, because I don't want you to think that.
Like it's manipulating, like lying to us.
Yeah.
Chance, please mute your laptop, please. I'm not going to ask you again.
Huh?
Please mute your laptop. Thank you.
Shout out to Trading View. Can y'all see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is a better example.
Let me zoom in again.
You got the bearish candle. Price is coming down. Remember?
Shoot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're going to
Mm-hmm.
sleep.
Okay. They wick them down. They come back up and close right here. Then price opens up, pushes up, then comes right back down, wicks down, closes right here. Y'all think y'all safe down here? Okay, hold on. Let me open up, come down, get y'all out, come back up. Let's get these people out too. They think they safe up here? All right, hold on. We're gonna get y'all sooner or later. Look at the dates too. This is Friday. This is how they play with the market. This is how they get people out.
And by out, you mean to sell, right?
Sell, buy, get you out. It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Like
Okay.
people have puts or sells, calls, these are options. Calls or buys. So if you have a buy, they're gonna get you out either way if you buying or selling.
Okay.
Mm.
Nobody's safe. But this is a better
Except
ex
for
this is a better
man.
example. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So like this is why you wouldn't want to, oh, look, price is down here, came back up. I think it's gonna go higher. You buy. Oh, it goes up. Oh, I don't wanna sell. It's gonna continue to go higher. Shoom.
It goes all the
And then
way
it went
down.
back down.
Yeah, so this is how they play with the markets, and if people don't know how to read a chart, this is what happens.
Right. I think so. I feel like on my Robinhood, I need to be doing the candle view instead of the graph view.
Yeah, do
Because
the
we
do
don't
the do the
see any of
candle
that
view.
when
So
you're in the
just off of this, this would be considered the low, right?
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Whatever's up here, put in this low. So for right now, this is the temporary high, depending on what happens. So
Mm.
if price pushes back down from here, what are we in now?
A bearish market.
But we're in between this low and this high. This is a range.
Oh, okay.
And so
Oh,
typically if you see this on the chart, we would want to wait and see what happens. Let price break out of the range. Because not typically what happens when price breaks out of the range, where's that? When price breaks out of a range, okay, let me get all the how I get all this off.
yeah, hold on. You got to
Oh,
erase it up there.
all right. So when price breaks out of a range, it leaves a zone. This is now becomes a zone. It's left
When it break
behind.
out of a range.
Yeah. Like for instance, let me find a good one for you. Okay, here's one. But a range is like when price is just moving sideways.
Mm-hmm.
So when you see price just doing this,
Mm-hmm.
going
That's what Nvidia is doing right
up
now.
and down in between a high and a low.
Yeah, low. Okay.
Like right here. This is a little range. Now if you pay attention, you got this low broke this high, right? So this is the protected low that broke this high, right?
Mm-hmm.
What did it do? It came back into the range, played around, and took off. Now pay attention now. I'm gonna do squares. This is why I do squares.
What program is this?
Oh, that's easier to read and it's easy to see.
But what happens when it doesn't work?
Mm.
But this is
What you
why,
mean?
huh?
What you mean when the squares don't work?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Go by the
The
candlestick.
squares, all I'm doing is plotting my highs and lows. That's all I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
Okay? That's all I'm doing. Now, this is the last low
Oh.
that broke this high. So this is a protected low. If price breaks this with a body closure, I'm gonna assume that we're getting ready to change trends. But look what happens then. It creates a zone.
Another zone in between that. Okay.
You following me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we were just down here, and I worked this
Mhm.
up all the way to here by reading market structure, trailing my highs and lows. So, on a grand scheme of things, remember how I said this low put in this high? We came from somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
We have 7 minutes left. This is now the new low from this high. The lower low creates a lower high. Now, guess what? We're playing around right here. I'm waiting to see if we're going to get a body closure or this last high put in this low, right? This most
Mhm.
recent low.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting to see if we get a body closure above this for what?
To see if it's gonna do upward trend.
Exactly. Now, what y'all don't understand is what time frame I'm on. This is multiple time frames. I have the 15-minute chart right here, so each candle represents 15 minutes.
Mm.
6 minutes left.
Yeah, I know. But what I also can see from this 15-minute time frame is the higher time frame. So even though we're on what's March 25th or
Mhm.
whatever March 9th,
Mhm.
Yeah.
I can see all the way back to here, this low from Tuesday, March 4th. This is the low from Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So after I know that we break this low with a body closure, what tends
Mhm.
to happen? We get a pullback into what is now this new range.
5 minutes left.
This
Can't
is
be quiet.
this is all advanced because this is like multiple time frames and all that. But
I feel like I'm in the I'm in the what's the building where they be reading the stocks and stuff. That's exactly what they be looking at on TV.
yeah, but I don't look at it like most people. Most people use like so like I can use that too, but trend lines. So
Trend
like
lines.
look,
Everybody to
this is an uptrend.
bed. Kill me.
Mhm.
Ready to the
Can't
bed.
be quiet.
This is considered an uptrend. Most people wait till we get a break of this trend and a retest and whatever. That's called retail patterns. I don't trade that.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Can't.
I trade like price action, learn
What?
how to read the
Hold
market.
on, Ezel. Chance, mute your phone.
Would you say you trade either
Price action,
price
market
action?
structure, just reading candles. And that's another thing that we haven't gotten into yet is candles.
You
Like
sent
it,
us a thing though on that, right? Like
huh?
a link to where a
Yeah,
good video to watch.
I can send y'all the stuff, but it's like long videos. Like,
Well, we probably need to do this more than once a week, maybe a couple of days out of the week.
so I drew that incorrectly, but you see, guess what? It still played out. So if you're asking, how would I, 4 minutes, how would I enter? So I would enter at the 50%. I would take my chances Or I'll do it. Let's do it like this. So
I'm about to know.
I have a prefix, take profit, and stop loss already involved. So I mean, I'm gambling, but I'm not, I already know how much I'm willing to lose.
Mm-hmm.
So I will wait for price to hit the 50%, enter, and let it ride.
Mm.
So let me go back to, but these are all like different amounts too. Like this is a bigger amount value than these little small squares right here. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because the zone, the zone is a lot different, the size. I have to go back to here, but this is why I said it's as simple as trailing your highs and your lows.
Oh crap! I forgot I zoomed in.
It's as simple as that. You follow market structure, you read price. Let me see.
Zoom better not cut us off.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Yeah, but y'all know we could like rejoin too. Did y'all hear me?
Yeah. So just go back in and rejoin.
Yeah, I'll just have to. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can. But yeah, so you read price, trail your highs and lows. Once we break a previous protected low, that's called a market structure shift.
Market structure shift.
So, Chance, do a quick closeout real quick. Hurry up.
Is he on?
I don't know.
He
Make sure y'all
probably
like,
is.
comment, share, subscribe. This is episode 67 of The Heart of a Family, financial non-advisor edition. This is non-financial advice. I'm just simply here for entertainment and educational purposes for the love of the family. So might get a part two here in a minute. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Anywho, so
And
what is
share.
red?
Bearish. Downward.
Okay.
What?
What is
Oh,
green?
Bullish.
bullish.
When do we want to buy?
You want to buy when I can't remember the fucking verb.
Like
you
the
break
midpoint
when you break
range?
a
I
low.
don't know.
No, no, no. Well, you want to buy when price is low. So if you
Low.
want to talk about those squares.